make ice cream, so we want to make it today.
Let's do it, girls. So to make the ice cream, we're gonna try about 750 to 800 grams of the heavy whipped cream.
Okay, I'm use the
Then we're gonna need condensed milk and peaches. Yeah, you wanna try it?
And I will try it.
Oh, no, maybe a peach.
Okay.
You wanna try it? Take it.
Yummy!
Yummy? So, we're gonna need to make
Can
it
you make
in
it
the
now?
2 parts. Emily, you're gonna have to whip the whipped cream. It's gonna be not easy job, but don't give up. Okay? So you can put
I'm
it.
pour.
You can
all
put
of
it. Yes, everything in the plate. And Karen, you're gonna need to put all these peaches. Can you do that? It's okay if it's a little bit juice from the peach, but not too much. So it's not going to be too liquid, right? And now you need to put all
They're coming out.
Wait, take it up.
Not one. That's it. That. Mine is coming.
Mix it with all one time.
That's enough. How much more?
Oh, I feel like gonna get thick.
Mine is done. Let's see how it looks. Oh, when is mine done? It's gonna be so yummy. Yeah.
Every video with me is a
Mess.
I'm a mess. I can touch. Yep. What?
For me, I have a lot.
You can be done with 5. Is it enough 5?
No. No. Yeah.
I know you girls do.
The first, Emma, the one that's the biggest one, this one is gonna be for you, but I'm not gonna put it. And mine is the other one is for my mom.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Does Abba like sprinkles?
I think so.
I make you one for Talia. I make you one for my. I make you one for my whole family and Talia. I make you one for my sister.
You done? Are you done? Okay, so put sprinkles if you want.
One is sweet. Where's mine? Here. Emma, whichever one you see without sprinkles is yours.
Oh,
I put it on mine.
Wow!
great job. So now we will need to put it in there.
Freezer. Two later. Yummy.
What?
Hello. Can you help me do my homework, Emily? Bye. Should I do blue? Yeah. I'll just do you. I'll do green. I have to go make some food for you. Little girl, can I hurry back anymore? Little girl, can I hurry back anymore? Little girl, can I hurry back anymore?
Bravo, Elsa. In the meantime.
You're gonna clean it in the meantime.
In the meantime.
Waiting for
In the
ice
meantime.
cream. Yes.
Waiting for the ice creams. Waiting for the ice creams. Oh, yeah.
Are you okay? Now we're gonna try our ice cream. Now we're gonna try our ice cream.
Yay! You happy?
Yeah, me
Okay, excited? What is the song for ice cream?
too. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ah!
Yay!
Yay.
Give one to mommy.
Can I have one?
Thank you,
God.
thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
One for Talia.
Yay!
No, that's one for Talia.
How do you like it, girls?
Yummy. Yummy.
Is it the best ice cream in the world?
Can I have some more sprinkles? Me too. No, you got a lot for that. I got peachy. I got peachy. Whatever's the yellow, that's the peach. You see the yellow, that's peach. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and click this bell. Bye. We love you. Mwah.